it's Taylor, aka BeautyThat, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this sleek hair into a bun, that curly hair. So if you want to know how to do this look, make sure to keep watching.
So I just got out the shower using Equate's Biotin and Collagen conditioner. And with VO5's Sun-Kissed Raspberry conditioner, I'm applying this all over my hair. And now I'm just drenching my hair down with some water from a spray bottle. And in the spray bottle, I just have warm water mixed with VO5's conditioner. And for a little more moisture, I'm adding some more VO5 throughout my hair. So now I'm pulling my hair up into the high bun, but I'm doing it in sections so it can be a little easier. And with a Boar's bristle brush, I'm just sleeking back my hair. I must say that this part of the hairstyle is an extreme arm workout. Now I'm applying Eco-Style Black Castor and Flaxseed oil all around my edges, and I'm brushing it into the bun. And this is round 2 of me attempting to put the hair tie into my hair. But yeah, you're just going to use a hair tie to tie off the top knot. And after tightening it a bit, I am using my brush again. After I do my toothbrush dance, I am basically doing my edges with the toothbrush. You can do this with a little of the Eco-Style gel if you want to. And I'm doing the same thing to the back of my hair. Now we use our magical scarf, and I'm basically putting this around my edges so it can stay in place. And with the spray bottle, I'm just dampening the ends and I'm fluffing it out. Gather all my hair together and twist it into a bun or a top knot. And you can keep this together with hairpins, bobby pins. You can even put another elastic band in your hair if you want to. My hair seems to stay together by itself, so just whatever you're comfortable with. Now you can take off the scarf, touch up a little bit, and you're done.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you want more videos like these, hair videos, you know what I'm saying, make sure to comment that down below. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys are following all of my social media. My Snapchat and Instagram will be down in the description box below. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to beauty that. Bye! Mwah.
I've been really tripping, babe. I learned my lesson, yeah. I still need you to listen, oh, babe. Hey, listen to me.